To place an order via an Excel or CSV file, go to your account page. Once you're in your account, look at the menu on the left and click on Order Upload, Excel/CSV. Next, depending on the type of file you have, click either on Add CSV or on Add XLSX. Choose the file you want to upload and then match the columns of your document with the mandatory column fields presented on the screen. After you've done that, click Save. You'll see a green confirmation message once your order is successfully uploaded. Now, you'll be able to see various details such as your automatically assigned input number, the upload date, the order status, an indication of the latest availability, and a green button with an X. In the table below, you'll find your items to order, the quantity, your indicated product reference, our product reference, the product display name, and a line that roughly indicates the availability. There are also some buttons and another green X button. If there's something displayed in the BayWa's product reference column, it means your item is successfully matched with our item reference. By clicking on the eye icon, you can see more item-related information, such as the item picture. Click on the Save button to save the match to the system. When you upload future orders, this item will then automatically be matched and saved. If there's nothing displayed in the BayWa's product reference column, it means your item hasn't been matched yet with our item reference. This could be because there are multiple product options for your indicated product reference, or the system may not recognize your product reference. To match the product, click on the magnifying glass and choose your desired product. There are filters and a search bar to help you find it faster. Click on the green checkmark to save your choice, and then click on the Save button to save the match. This product will also be automatically matched in your future orders. In case you would like to change a quantity, simply click in the column and change it. If you forgot a product, you can manually add another line by clicking on Add Line. Enter your product reference here and match the product. If you want to delete a line, you can click on the green X button. If you'd rather delete the entire order, click on the green X button at the top. To process your order, you can either continue to checkout, add your order to a shopping list, or add it to a quote. The choice is yours.